Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bitfinex account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to delete your Bitfinex account, click open a web browser first. In the search box, type in www.bitfinex.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Log into your Bitfinex account if necessary, and once you are, go and click on your profile image at the top right corner. Click on account from the drop down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a deactivate button. Click it on and confirm your selection by clicking on permanently deactivate account. Remember that deactivating your Bitfinex account is a permanent action and you won't be able to retrieve your account back after you've deleted your account. If you choose to proceed, you'll be sent a confirmation link to your email, and after you receive the confirmation, your account will be deleted. Click on permanently delete account if you are sure you would like to delete your account. Now, go to your email by clicking open a new tab and sign into your email if necessary. Now, you should receive an email from Bitfinex. Click it open and click on permanently deactivate account. Once you click on that, you have been logged out of your account, and now, if you wish to use Bitfinex later on in the future, you'll need to sign up by creating a new account. That is how you can easily delete Bitfinex accounts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.